Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to use segments in Mailchimp. So this is a step-by-step guide to follow easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's dive right in. So first, what we need to do is to simply sign in to our Mailchimp account. So once we've signed into our Mailchimp, what we're going to do next is that we're going to go to the left-hand panel and go to our audience section. So here in your audience, you can actually click on it and scroll down. There you will find segments. So it filters contacts that meet certain criteria so you can send specific emails to that specific group of people. So to create a segment, click on this button, and then what you're going to do is to build your segment. Now here in the segment name, you just need to give your segment a name. So any name would do basically. Say for example, I'm gonna have this ABCD, and now let's add a filter afterwards. So for the filter, you're just going to select the kind of information that you would want to segment. Say for example, last name. Last name is, and then you just need to input, like say for example, Cruz. Now you can add another filter if you would want to, but let's try reviewing the segment first. And basically it would look like this one. So all the people who has its last name as Cruz will receive a specific email. Now let's save the segment, and there we have already created our segment. So that's about it for today's video. I hope that you found this tutorial helpful, and thank you so much for watching.